Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your iPad screen when you are repairing. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. These are videos for education purpose only. Okay, right here on the corner, right here, it has a little glue that came from the digitizer. So we're gonna use alcohol, pure alcohol. Here I have it. So you just put it on a toothpick right here, like that, and then go right here, working slow. Yeah, because it has some glue here, so we need to remove it with foot, put it back. So after you work a little bit and remove it, then use a clean one to clean it, and do it like maybe 2 times, and that will be enough. When you remove the LCD, be very careful, because if a small piece of glass go in there and you can scratch it, it's really delicate. So that's the way you clean the glue. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me like, and I also maybe with a piece of napkin we can clean it again, and it will be fine. Thank you.